In this video, I'm going to be doing a review of the Papermate Clear Point Elite. The Papermate Clear Point Elite is a similar pencil to the Clear Point Elite, but it has chrome, more grip, and lead breakage resistant technology. The Clear Point Elite has a replaceable eraser, and it's a long eraser too. You can replace lead by taking this cap off and you can actually put lead in by taking the tip off. These pencils have quite a bit of grip, or a fair amount anyway. They have chrome clips and tips, and they have quite a fair amount of clear plastic. And like I said, they have the lead breakage resistant technology down here, which we'll get to see in action. So now let's test these guys out. For the lead resistant breaking technology, as you can see, I can push down some on the lead, and it's like there's shock absorbing. So all it's doing is pushing the lead back in and then letting it come back out when I release. So it helps with lead breakage. That's a nice feature. Testing this pencil out. And to get more lead, you just press this button right here. Now let's try erasing with this eraser. As you can see, there's still some but the quality of your eraser and the width of your lead might affect results. These pencils come in 0.5, 0.7, and 0.9 millimeter lead, so you can use either, depending on what it says over here, you can use 0.5, 0.7, or 0.9. The most common is for mechanical pencils is 0.7, which is kind of in between. It's not as thick as 0.9, but it's not as thin as 0.5, and doesn't break as easy as 0.5, but it might break a little easier than 0.9. Now, the durability of these things are probably pretty good, except as you can see, this clip has bent for whatever reason. Someone might have done that on purpose, but they can bend just like anything. It has removable top, and it looks like this has gotten a crack there, but depending on how well you use your pencils and how you treat them, it could affect results. These pencils probably can be found at quite a few different stores. However, they are more expensive than the traditional clear points, but they're better quality, so you might be able to justify that. as you can see, they're pretty good pencils. This one has gotten a little beat up, but not bad at all. I've seen worse. It's nice it has the lead breakage resistant technology, because sometimes lead can break really easy. Overall, it's a pretty good pencil. A lot of kids like it, and you should consider getting it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you liked it. If you did, please like it and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching.